Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you an application that's great for movies and TV shows, tons of content. I know recent shutdowns has disappointed a lot of people and they're looking for a replacement. I'm going to show you where the best replacements are, load the best store with the best updates. I got some updates that are not seen anywhere else in my store now. I got some newest apps in there you're not going to find anywhere else. And I'm going to keep updating the newest apps in the store. So today I'm going to show you an incredible app for movies and TV shows that works really well. And then I'm going to guide you through my store to always show you how to get the newest updates and what's the hottest apps and how to make your Fire Stick really great at streaming a lot of content and getting updated on what's the new best app. Because I know people are always searching for the next best thing, okay? So let me guide you through this. The first step you want to take on your Fire Stick is you want to go to settings to get this app. My Fire TV or my device. Okay. And I have developer options. Perhaps you don't have developer options, which is fine. Just click on about. And from here, you see I have my Fire TV or my device. You want to click here about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, when you click back, it says that you have developer options. And now it says you are a developer. So first, turn on the developer options. We have to make sure we have developer options. And we do that by clicking about and on the device name like we've done. And that enables developer options. Now, once you do that, press the home button. Let's proceed to the next step. I'm going to go to find, search. Okay. Now you want to click inside of the search box and you want to search for an application called Downloader. We can use the Alexa remote. And this works on TV boxes as well. You don't have to even use Downloader on TV boxes, but it doesn't work on Fire Stick Select, okay? So if you're in a Fire Stick Select, this won't work. So you won't even find Downloader. So let's search for Downloader. Downloader. And as you see, the Downloader application will come up, looks like this, okay? Now from here, click the download button. And that's going to download the Downloader application. Once that's finished, it installs it. You don't have to open it up. If it does open up for you automatically, just press the OK button and just exit the Downloader application. You don't have to open it up, but for me, just auto open. But if you open it up, you don't have to do anything now because there's a couple of steps we still need to take. Okay, let's press the home button. Once you're done, we want to go to the settings right here. And then we want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. We want to go to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps. We'll make sure the downloader is turned on, okay? Now, once you do that, press the home button. Now, the next step we have to take is go to Find, go to Search, and let's search for the following application, Surfshark. And I'll explain everything in detail, what's going to happen. Okay, Surfshark, just like that. Okay, hit the search button to search for Surfshark. It's going to come up something like this. You want to click on that. The next step you want to take is you want to click on the download button on the Surfshark VPN. Now, once you click that, it's going to queue it, it's going to download it, and once it finishes, all we have to do is open it up, and I'll show you how to set it up. So the reason we are using a VPN, this one has 3,200 servers and 100 gigabyte speeds, is to unlock all the links, unlock access to the store, to be able to load all these applications. Internet service providers have been brutal at blocking links, blocking content, special events, sports, and everything else. This is gonna allow us to get more movie shows, get more links, more content by using the Surfshark VPN, by getting very fast links and more content that is being blocked by internet service providers. So some of them are blocking access to the sites, to the scrapers, to the links, and this will unleash all that by using a VPN. I'll set this up. I'll show you the server setup, how to get this going on your Fire Stick to get the most out of it. This works across on all devices, Fire Sticks on TV boxes, Android phones, tablets, Windows, all across, multi-platform, and one account covers unlimited devices in your household. Unlimited streaming devices, 10 Fire Sticks, whatever you have, NVIDIA Shields, Google streamers, whatever devices you have, or Android TV, this works all across the board. Okay, so now when Surfshark installs, all we have to do is just press and open it up, okay? Give it a minute to install here. and then we're just going to open it up. Okay, once you open it up, you'll see a screen like this. What you want to do on this screen, once it comes up, you don't want to create an account. You just want to press the login button here. Okay, let's press that login button. And it's telling me to put an email and password and press the login button. Now, to get your own email and password set up, all you have to do is scan this QR code here or go to this link here, also in the pinned comment description, to unlock a lot of links of content and unlock full access to the special application that will allow you to have more than 52 premium applications for movies and TV shows. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite one right now that's new, very new, that just came out. And then I'm going to show you some other ones that you can find easily that you should get. That's a great replacement for recently what happened, as we know, with your favorite movie application and others that kind of stopped working and is not giving you content as it should before. Okay, so I'm going to put my email and password and press login. Now, to get your own account, like I said, you have to scan this QR here or go to this link here, also in pinned comment description. There's a clickable link. So if you scan this with your phone, you end up on their landing page, and I negotiated with them a super deal for you guys. It's about 80+% off to get your own account. Okay, so it's $2 and pennies literally to get an account, $2 a month, and that gets you protected, keeps you anonymous, and gives you access to the store and to the updates to the applications, and gives you more content for movies and TV shows, and also for apps that are used for sports and other special events and things like that. Okay, so get set up with this. Due to these blocks, we cannot proceed to the next step because we're going to get blocked. Therefore, we need to set up a VPN to be anonymous, and I'll show you the server setup to take. So pause the video, take care of that. It's $2 and change, cup of coffee per month. You'll get set up, you'll get protected, and you'll be streaming anonymously. So let's go to the next steps, and I'm going to show you the server setup. Once you're done that, pause the video. Once you're done that, let's continue together to set up the servers for this application. So I will leave the login information on the screen, how to get your own account, the barcode or this pin link here or in the pinned comment description, in case you haven't had a chance to set it up yet, but it's very important you do. And once you have it set up and you're logged in, all you have to do is go to settings, VPN settings. Now from here, all you have to do is auto connect, put it on, okay? Use small pockets, protocol, automatic, WireGuard, select that, okay? Now let's go back to Surfshark all the way here at the top. Let's click on that. Now go to search and type in USA. Let's do that, USA. Just like that. Scroll down on the servers. You can pick any American server. Just pick a server, and that will automatically connect to it. And press the OK button, and that will connect to a US server. Now, once that's done, you can proceed to the next step. As you can see, we're connected here, and now we're going to proceed to the next step. So take advantage of this sale to get set up. It's $2 and change, a cup of coffee, and it's going to give you so much more content. Okay, let's press the home button, and we're ready to proceed to the next step. We're going to go to My Apps and Games. Okay. Now we have Downloader. We're going to open Downloader up. Okay, it's going to look like this. Click up to this yellow box here, and in here, just put in the following URL. We're going to put in link drop .store. Now remember, I'm still using the other stores from my previous videos. It's still active, it's still working, and you'll find a lot of apps there. But going forward, I would encourage you to use this because you're going to get notifications every time there's a new app that's being pushed out or a new content that's being pushed out. You're going to get a notification so you can know exactly when the app comes out. You can be the first one. So link drop.store and press the go button. What's that going to do? It's going to connect to the link drop store. It's going to say connecting. And you can see I can browse the little site around left to right, up and down. I'm going to scroll down and click download app for TV or mobile. Okay, let's click that. Okay, and once it downloads, it's going to start the installation. Let's press the install. Okay, now once that's done, press the done button. Let's not open it up yet. press the delete and the delete to delete the actual installation file. Now press the home button. And now from here, all you have to do is go to settings, My Fire TV, My Device, developer options, install unknown apps, and turn the link drop to the on position just like that. And once you're done that, hit home. Now we're going to go to My Apps and Games. Let's open up the link drop application. It's going to come up and press the allow button. It's going to look like this. And as you can see, we have a notification right away. And we have some alternative here. Okay. And if you don't want to see the notification, you can simply scan this with your phone if you're doing this on your TV. And then you can go and see which application that is that I'm talking about here. Okay. But I'm going to close that notification because today's app is going to be different that I'm showing you. So you can go to notifications if you don't want to see them, or you read the notification and press the delete button. That deletes the notification. Go back to home and press the new library, and I'm going to give you a special code. And the code is Firestick lowercase. Okay, so just put in Firestick, all lowercase. Okay. Once you do that, you'll see the store. Read the welcome message. It tells you all my favorite apps. Okay. Now you can search for apps and categories, but I'm going to go to movie and TV show apps. And as you can see, here's our application. Today's application is this one. We're going to click on it. Okay. And that's going to pull that application for us. And it's a great replacement. It works really great. And it doesn't need any other media players. Okay. Now, once the app is done, all you do is install this application. And this is one click, movies in 1080p, high quality. Every single link works. Okay. And then press the done button and that installs our application. Now, there's some other ones that are really great that I reviewed. Okay. I highly recommend some other ones here. This one is a great one. Requires this player right here. You can get that one as well. This is a great one I've reviewed as well. And really you can get so many more applications. But today I just want to show you this one. It's great and it works amazingly well. And there's another new one here called this one. So just get these two. You're going to have a lot of content and a lot of stuff. That's really a great alternative for what you were trying to do with the previous application that recently is not working anymore, that people loved so much. Okay. So there you go. Let's pull that in. This is another great one. Okay. For this one, when you open it up, you'll say to enter an OTP code after you install it. Just press install. And you can see how easily I'm installing these apps from my store. Just clicking up and down, left to right, installing them with ease. And those three, I would say, are really great applications. This will get you covered of a lot of movies and a lot of TV shows. Okay, press done. And for this one, when you start it up, you have to enter an OTP code, but it's provided on the screen. Enter the OTP code to enter the app and enjoy all the content, okay? Let's hit home, and you can remember that you can come back to my store at any time. And if you want to get the new updates in my store, just come back at any time. And if you want to get perhaps sports apps or live TV apps, you can just click around in each category, or you can just click my best apps. These are vetted apps that I always say to people, these are the best apps. This is the section you should look at as well, okay? Now, let's say you want to get the new updates for this store. You would hit the back arrow. You would go to settings and you would reset app data. And from here, you would add the code Firestick again, and that would give you the new applications. Very easy. Okay. So that's the way link drop works. Now let's go to my apps and games, and you can see I have my two applications here and a third one as well that I've shown you. You can get that third one. It's really incredible with Bear Player. You can also get some other ones as well in there. My top apps, everything is here and everything works great. And this store works for on TV boxes, works for Fire Sticks, with the exception of the Select, works for NVIDIA Shield, works for Android TV, works on Google Streamer, works on everything, okay? Phone, everything. So we're done with that and we can start enjoying our content. Now, I'll show you for this entire process. My Surfshark VPN was connected and I was protected by a VPN. Now, if you haven't signed up in the first step, please take the opportunity to sign up. This is going to give you more links, more content, and updates from the store. And remove those locks from your internet service providers, perhaps that you've been blocked for, movies and TV show links, perhaps special events, and things like that. So that's how you do it. That's how you get it loaded. Scan that barcode here, go to the bit.ly link in the pinned comment description. That's going to get you more than 80% off. It's $2 and change per month for full anonymous protection, streaming all this content. It's really worth it. Play safe, play anonymous, and enjoy all your content, and enjoy the new store that's been put together for you guys, for your devices. Okay? Now that's pretty much it. And let me know in the comments, what do you feel about this new application? Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you still miss the old one that went down. I'm in hopes that it's going to come back. A lot of people might say, NewTek, you're a little bit crazy. That app is never coming back. And I'm sure a lot of people know which one I'm talking about. But there might be something around the corner. So you never know. Stick tuned to my channel. Hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. And you never know what kind of surprises I might have for you guys in the next few videos. Okay? That's all I'm going to say now. And I'm going to just leave this off as is here. Drop a comment below, guys. Whatever you want to say. And I would highly appreciate it. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. I would highly appreciate it if you just drop the comment or subscribe to me, hit the bell icon, and share my videos, and then I might have more surprises for you. Follow me on X. You're going to find out a lot of news. And keep your eyes glued to the link drop notification, because you never know when you're going to get a surprise notification with something that just came out, and you're going to be the first one to know what came out, when, and you're going to be the first one to get it. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day, and take care.